Hello friends, in our previous 3 videos, we have discussed and seen the glimpses of the Constitution in respect of fundamental rights, judiciary, court system and other features. From that we can see that the amount of welfare for the citizen which is mentioned and the care which is taken of the citizens by the government is clearly shown from the things which are mentioned in Constitution, like torture is prohibited, preservation of natural reserves, right to Nile river, organ trafficking is forbidden. At the same time, a body organ can be donated provided it is done by way of a proper legal document. Right to clean water, right to litigate and right to defense. Now these have come into the fundamental rights. So any citizen has a right to litigate and right to defend whatever litigation is filed against him. The State Council gives opinion on the draft laws. There are special courts for urgent matters. Women empowerment is clearly seen because women would have appropriate representation in the House of Representatives. The importance, the value given to the Nile river is very clear. It is a government duty and government is committed for protecting Nile river. Agriculture is the basic component of the economy. The importance given to the teachers and along with them to the members of teaching staff and assistants is also great. They are considered as main pillars of education. So that's an importance given to them. Disabled persons are being given special protection, like disabled person would get special aids according to law. Disabled child are assured of right of rehabilitation. There is a national council for person with disabilities. So friends, we hope that this particular glimpses of Constitution of Egypt which we have done, you would have enjoyed this particular series. We thank you for giving your valuable time for watching this particular series. Thank you. Namaste.